Curious if you have the time or the skill to build a business from home and make residual money and impact the world and change lives? I'm going to do little segments and I'm going to show you how long it takes, and you can judge for yourself if you think you have the time. Okay, so here we go. Stopwatch is going. First, take a minute to be a product of the product. Have your own customer experience. In my case, I get to have a chocolate orgasm every day. That's my company's product, one of many. That took maybe a minute. And now I'm going to share just a little bit of my experience with that product on my social media. I'll do it from my phone because that's what most people use now. You can do it from a computer too. It'll be something along the lines of, "Good morning, everyone. Enjoying my chocolate. Oh my, this is delicious." It's amazing how much more I enjoy healthy food, and I don't crave the oil, fat, grease, sugar, salt anymore like I did before I started this superfoods shake that I replace a meal every day with. It's fantastic. And if you have a weight loss story, you can be like, lost another 2 pounds, or you can be, my energy is amazing, focus, digestive health, trips to the bathroom are euphoric now. Whatever your story is, you're going to have your own customer experience. So you want to share that on a daily basis as it unfolds, and never sell it. Never sell it on your social media. Maybe the last thing you say in a post like that where you're sharing is, "Hey, if you got some goals you want to talk about, private message me. Let's talk about your goals," or whatever it happens to be, whatever cheesy thing you want to say. Just make it authentic. That, by the way, will take a minute, maybe 2 or 3 at the most. Now it's time to do something that takes a whole 2 or 3 minutes. And that is, I'm going to go into my Facebook notifications and get caught up on those. And that's basically just commenting back on other comments that people have made. I get to be social, something I would probably do anyway, and now it can make really good money. Next is to post a really great question that gets engagement going on my social media. And I'm not really thinking of anything right now. I don't know what to post. So I got this document with hundreds of questions that I can copy and paste and put right into my timeline. That will take a total of about 10 seconds to do. And this document of all these great questions is available to everybody on my organization. So I want to help people get stuff done and have fun and build a beautiful, wonderful, engaging business. And as you can see, I'm doing it from being lounged out in my couch on my phone. Now we're going to get into the nuts and bolts of it. I'm going to spend about 3 minutes is what it's going to take to go into my Facebook inbox, my Facebook messages, and respond to people that have been writing me based on posts that I made that they're responding to, like yesterday, the day before that. So the key there is I'm showing up every day. So I go into my Facebook inbox and there's messages from people that find my content attractive and they want to talk about their goals. They're curious about the product, the superfood shake. They want to know more about it. And I'm not going to pitch them. No, I'm not. I'm going to share information, answer questions, and I've got extensive training on how that leads to an attractive, organic, natural sale. I'm not going to get into that on this video, but everybody on my organization has really great training on exactly how that's done so that it is organic and natural and not forced. And it's a completely wonderful way, a feel-good way to make a sale and build a beautiful business. That took a total of less than 10 minutes. I would spend about 20 minutes a day doing stuff like that, broken up into 2-3 minute segments, but it was enough to get the ball rolling. And I wanted to show you guys, so many of you, 9 out of 10 people, when they're asked, they want to start their own business, but they don't know if they have the time, and they don't know if they have the skills, and so on and so forth. If you'd like to see what I've been doing, feel free to private message me, following true to form what I've shown you in this video. You got goals you want to talk about? You just want to see info on what I'm doing, the company that I'm with, just ask me and I'll shoot you over some info, take a few minutes to go over it, and if there's a sincere interest at that point, then we can just go from there, whatever is appropriate. Sound good? Yeah. Alright, well, I will hear from you very soon then. And feel free to share this with friends and family, and let's do this.